What's up, y'all? Welcome back to Sweet and Savory Barbecue. I'm your host, Jamie Trader. Today, we're going to do something a little bit different. It's football season, and we're going to do a great wing recipe. We're doing chicken bacon ranch chicken wings on our gateway drum. Let's get started. Alright, so we've got our wings here. I still like to start with whole wings and then cut them down into the individual pieces. I feel like typically you get a bigger wing. It's really easy. You just find this joint, pop right through with a knife. There's your wing tip. Spread it out a little bit. Find the joint between the flat and the drummie. Cut right through. You've got a flat and a drummie. This one right here is a little bit smaller. It's okay. It's just part of the game. Pop the wing tip off and separate the two. It's really simple. I feel like you get a better product this way. As you can see, most of these wings are bigger than these. A lot of times when you buy them pre-cut like this, you get the real small ones. Alright, now we've got our drums and our flats. Got a couple of pin feathers. Just pop them off there. What we're going to do is get a base layer of seasoning on these wings. Since we're going with that chicken bacon ranch flavor, I've just got some ranch dry mix in this little sieve. We're just going to season these wings. This is a little bit finer, so it's going to kind of dissolve. Starting with the back sides, get them flipped over, come back and season the top sides the same way. Alright, that looks pretty good. Now on to our next step. What I've got here is just some thinner bacon that we've cut in half. Going to wrap these wings. Got some toothpicks over here if we need them. And I try to put that seam on the bottom. I don't have to overlap them too much. That one there might need a little bit of a toothpick. Remember, keep an eye on your toothpicks. Make sure we take them out before we serve them. Also, to help our bacon color up just a little bit on the smoker, we're using some of that Sweet and Savory OG rub. This is a rub we're developing. We should have it out to y'all soon. We're just kind of waiting to hear back from the co-packer on what everything we're going to need to do to get this out to y'all. Just a really light coat. We're not really looking for a whole lot of barbecue flavor. Really looking to help that bacon color up nice. We're going to let these hang out right here while we get our gateway drum fired up. We're getting our gateway drum fired up today with royal oak charcoal. You can do this recipe on any grill. You just want those temps to be between 325 and 350. We've got our drum at about 325, 3 to 325. If it goes up to 350, that's cool too. We're really just looking to get that bacon nice and brown. Got some cherry smoke rolling. Alright, we've got our wings loaded up. We're going to come back and spin this drum about every 15 minutes or so, just to make sure everything's cooking nice and even. Alright, so it's been about 30 minutes, 40 minutes. Let's come in here and check them. 192, 180. That's kind of where I like my wings. Technically, they're done at 165 because they are white meat, but I do like them a little higher to kind of make those bones jump out, make them nice and tender. So we're going to get them off. Get them over into a bowl and get a little bit of glaze on them. So I've got our wings off. I just put them in a bowl. I went ahead and picked out the toothpicks for the ones that had those toothpicks in them. What I've got here is just a little ranch dressing. I'm going to do a quick drizzle. I'm going to toss them just like you would a buffalo wing or any other kind of chicken wing. Get them coated in that ranch. Sometimes the bacon's going to fall off with some of them. That's alright. It stayed on most of them. I got a pile of chicken bacon ranch wings. The cool part about chicken wings is you really don't gotta let them rest. So these are ready to rock and roll just as soon as they cool down. Come in here, start with the drummie. That's pretty awesome. I've bacon wrapped chicken plenty of times, but never a chicken wing. That's pretty good. It's a unique flavor. You get the bacon, you obviously get the ranch. Matter of fact, we're gonna do a little more ranch down here on our board by one of these flats. Do a little dip in some ranch too. I'm telling you, I'm pleasantly surprised at how well that worked. You know, we had a couple. The bacon came off. That's okay. What you can do, take it, serve it, and wrap it back up. Maybe toothpick it if you want to. Just let your guests know it's got a toothpick in it. So that's it for this week's recipe. I hope y'all enjoy it. Y'all really got to give this a try at your next football game, next tailgating party, whatever you got going on. These are a dynamite little appetizer, a little chicken wing. However you want to serve them, wrap them up in some bacon with some ranch seasoning. Coat them in a little ranch dressing, and you'll be good to go. Be sure to follow us on all our social media outlets, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and here on YouTube. Give this video a like and smash the subscribe button. That allows us to keep building these videos for y'all and bringing you great recipes every week. We'll see y'all next time.